Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can attack someone or your friends in Monopoly Go. So to start with, you first want to have your app loaded up, and the first thing we're going to have to do here is actually land on one of these train tiles. So as you can see, there's Liverpool Street Station and there's a total of 4 of these on the board. So I'm going to go ahead and click go a few times, and then I'll come back to you when I do actually land on one of those trains. Okay, so I landed on a train, and here's where you can actually attack someone's building. So, as you can see, it's randomly put me on this person called Stephanie's board, and I can attack 3 of their landmarks. However, if I don't want to attack this person, I can actually change it. So at the bottom, you can see it says switch opponent. So if I go ahead and click on that, here's where we can actually change it. So we can switch the opponent to a random player, or if you've actually had people attack you before, you can get revenge and attack people that have previously attacked you. Or the final option is to actually attack your friends. So if you want to attack your friends and take some of their money, you can go ahead and do that here. So choose whichever option you want, and then once you've chosen that, just select go. And then here's where we can actually attack them. So we want to pick any of these landmarks, and I'm just going to pick this one. And as you can see, I attacked Julie and I won $720. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you now know how to attack someone in Monopoly Go. If you do, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.